From the live stream that I had last night on Monday, the 7th of October, we were talking about hurricanes, and we were talking about an old hurricane that happened in October, or actually September of 2017. Well, I did a video, I went back and I was looking at some videos, and I found a video that I did of the old layout of July of 2017 that I did in 4K with none other than a Galaxy S8 phone. Now that is like 3 generations back from what I have right now, and it's pretty good. I did the Woodland Scenics tie and plank mill, which you could see right here, and it is no longer available, but it, like all the Woodland scenic things like that, is the metal castings. And I built that 8 or 9 years ago. Probably, I built a lot of stuff before I started my YouTube channel, and I never videoed anything. So I'm going to show you this one here. I put this out on YouTube 7 years ago, and take a listen to all the sound effects in there, because I put sound effects in the buildings as we was going up through Smedleyville and up to the plank mill by Rockwood. So take a look at this and enjoy. The Leakin Creek Tie and Plank Mill are due for a delivery of logs this morning, and we'll pick up that delivery from Smedleyville, coming up the line, up the mountain to Leakin Creek. What we're looking at right now is the outskirts of Rockwood, which is right outside of Leakin Creek, which is a rural town in southwest Pennsylvania. Turn your resolution up as high as you can get it, because this is coming to you in 2160p. I'm taking this with my Samsung Galaxy S8 again. Not too much going on in Rockwood right now, but that's kind of normal for this town. It's a quiet town in southwest Pennsylvania. So let's go take a look at Smedleyville, where we could see the logs coming through on the way to Leakin Creek. No wonder people don't use this high resolution very often, because it takes up a lot of memory in the computer. When I was editing this, it was going... Well, there it is. Getting ready for a hurricane. It's coming tomorrow. So, until the next time, we'll see ya. And have fun with whatever you're doing.